Learn alphabet with phonics. A is for apple. Apple. B is for bag. Bag. C is for cat. Cat. D is for doll. Doll. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. G is for gun. Gun. H is for hat. Hat. I is for ink. Ink. J is for jam. Jam. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lamp. Lamp. M is for mango. Mango. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pencil. Pencil. Q is for quill. Quill. R is for rose. Rose. S is for sun. Sun. T is for table. Table. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vegetable. Vegetable. W is for watch. Watch. X is for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Thank you for watching.